Using Jira for full project management involves several key steps to effectively plan, track, and manage projects. Here's how to utilize Jira for comprehensive project management. Create projects. Start by creating a project in Jira for each initiative or team within your organization. Define epics and user stories. Break down project requirements into epics and user stories. Set up boards. Use Jira boards such as Scrum or Kanban boards to visualize and manage work items. Customize boards to match your team's workflow. Assign tasks and due dates. Assign tasks to team members and set due dates to track progress and deadlines. Track progress. Monitor progress using Jira's reporting and dashboard features. Keep stakeholders informed with real-time updates. Collaborate and communicate. Encourage collaboration among team members by using Jira's commenting and mentioning features. Communicate project updates and changes effectively. Integrate with other tools. Integrate Jira with other tools your team uses, such as Confluence for documentation or Bitbucket for version control. Review and improve. Regularly review project metrics and performance to identify areas for improvement. Use retrospective meetings to reflect on successes and challenges.